In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jobber to QuickBooks Online. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in and get started with this step-by-step guide. First, go ahead and access your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu bar on the left side of your screen, where you'll find the option labeled Apps. Click on this to begin the process of connecting your Jobber account to QuickBooks. This section hosts a multitude of apps that seamlessly integrate with QuickBooks, making your financial management much easier. Now, direct your attention to the Find Apps tab located within the Apps section. This is your gateway to a world of productivity-enhancing tools. Here, you'll want to type Jobber into the search bar and press Enter. Within moments, you should see Jobber appear in the search results. Click on Jobber to be taken to the app's dedicated page. On the Jobber app page, you'll discover a range of information. This page will give you an overview of what Jobber is, how it can integrate with QuickBooks, and the benefits of doing so. It's worth taking a few moments to read through this material so that you understand the potential advantages, like better time management, streamlined invoicing, and improved job tracking that Jobber can offer you and your business. Once you're ready to proceed, look for the Get App Now button. You should find it conveniently located at the top right corner of the Jobber app page. Clicking this button will initiate the connection process as well as the authentication you'll need to complete in order to link Jobber with your QuickBooks account. After you click Get App Now, you'll be prompted to follow a few additional steps to finalize the connection. Don't worry, these steps are straightforward and should be clearly outlined by the system, guiding you through the exact process to ensure everything is set up correctly. You'll need to provide the necessary permissions and may be asked to log into your Jobber account to authorize the connection. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Jobber to QuickBooks Online. From this point on, the two services will be able to communicate effectively, sharing information that can help you manage your business more efficiently. You'll now benefit from improved organization and more accurate accounting, allowing you to focus more on what you do best, running your business. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your newly connected Jobber and QuickBooks Online accounts.